Hey guys, so in order to remove the caliper, you need to create some slack. And I did that by getting a vice grip and placing it right there underneath the body to the left side of the car. And then I pulled it back and thus creating slack. And as you see, the lines travel all the way back here to the caliper. By pulling that one line, you gain slack to pull the lines right over the caliper right there. As you can see here, you would pull this and lift up, and then right here, get some pliers and pinching, you can pull that up, and you can remove the calipers out of the way. Right there, that's all you need.